guys, now I'm gonna react on Upenna Telugu movie trailer. So before I start, hello and I'm Monali Naik. Welcome to my channel नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. So let's go.
ప్రేమంటే ఓ లైలా మజ్నులా దేవదాసు పార్వతిలా ఓ రోమియో జూలియట్లా అదో మాదిరిలా ఉండాలరా. ఒరే తాలింపు బస్సు ఊర్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుందిరా. అబద్ధాలాడితేనే ఆడపిల్ల పుడతారంటే మరీ ఇంత అందత్తి పుట్టిందంటే మినిమం వీళ్ళు బాబు మర్డర్ ఏమైనా చేసి ఉంటాడేట్రా.
Oh my god, in reality. Vijay Sethupathi.
నువ్వు కూతురుతో పాటు కొడుకుని కూడా కన్నావు కదా. నీ పరువు ఎక్కడ తిరిగినా సాయంత్రానికి అడిగి ఇంటి కట్టుకొచ్చేస్తాడు.
జ్వరం కావాలా నీకు?
సముద్రం ఆకాశం కలుస్తాయంటావరా?
అల్లం దగ్గర పడినా ఆకాశాన్ని ఎలా అందుకుంటాయ్యా?
మరి ఆకాశం వంగితే
ప్రేమంటే పట్టుకోవడం నాన్న, వదిలేయడం కాదు.
రాయనంకి పరువు వేరు ప్రాణం వేరు కాదురా, రెండు ఒకటే.
My god.
నువ్వంటే నాకు అది మా అదృష్టం బేవమ్మా.
ప్రేమ గొప్పదైతే చరిత్రలోని సమాధుల్లోని కనపడాలి గాని పెళ్లి చేసుకొని పిల్లల్ని కని ఇళ్లల్లో కనబడితే దాని విలువ తగ్గిపోదు. అందుకే ప్రేమెప్పుడు చరిత్రలోనే ఉంటది, దానికి భవిష్యత్తుంటదు. ఎడే
12th February 2021 in theaters it seems to be. I had once reacted on the song called Nanna Kannu Nili Samudram. So the start of the song is in Hindi and then it is in Telugu language. But the song is very beautiful and I think that song is from this movie because in that song also they have shown Bus and this beautiful heroine in it. She's very beautiful. She's looking extremely beautiful in that song as well. So Kanna Kanni have so many times requested me to react on the teaser and so finally the trailer is here and now I'm reacting on the trailer. And the trailer was wow, my god, Vijay Sethupathi in a very angry father wala look and he's killing it in that look as a villain he's playing, of course, because he's coming in between a love and because he thinks that mera naam aur rutba itna zyada hai and this boy is having nothing and why is he dating my girl, kind of such kind of things. And these two hero and heroine are so much into love with each other. They adore love like anything. Like in the start only they said that love means Romeo or Juliet, this that and everything. They are so much into each other. And the father and the way he mentions that the girl is very beautiful, his her father must have murdered someone and then it was actually a murder and the actually in reality he is gunda of the area, it seems to be, because he's very powerful and he can kill anyone. He's destroying his house and everything because he's very, the hero is very poor and that's the reason Vijay Sethupathi is very powerful and he's showing his power by destroying his house, everything. There was a scene where he chai फेंक दिया शायद हीरोइन के फोटो के ऊपर, तो might be the hero is the one who is throwing, might be because he must have got angry because he is suffering a lot because of the love. And what Vijay Sethupathi thinks is if you love so much then this should be in the history or in the graveyard because his position, his money, his name and everything is much more important than this love and shitty kind of thing according to Vijay Sethupathi. And Vijay Sethupathi is coming up with so many movies and oh my god, his acting and everything is outstanding in this trailer as well. He's going to play as a villain, and he just kills it as a villain, I guess. Because oh my god, I just loved it. The BGM of the trailer and everything is so good, and seems like he is a very small town village guy because he's running behind the bus and everything, and might be he saw her in the bus itself, and this is like love at first sight kind of thing. And whenever the bus comes and he's like already ready, come on, bus is coming, I'm going to watch her, and I'm going to talk to her and all. फिर वो लड़की पटा देता है, and then the story is quite we can just guess the story that this must be the story because this story we have seen in so many different kinds of movies, but this is more khatarnak because I guess because of the torture which Vijay Sethupathi is giving to the hero, and because of the way he's troubling him, his family and everything, and because we will be more excited for the climax, that what will be the climax, what can happen, what will he do, will he kill the hero, or will they both will be killed, or will they both run away, will they both get married and stay somewhere else and everything. Because there was a movie in a Marathi called Sairat, and this was also the same kind of story. A small town boy and a very rich girl, politician ki ladki thi, and a very rich girl, and the climax was something where everyone cried in the theater. So even if the story must be the repetitive kind of thing, but the climax and the feel and the emotions and everything can make you watch this kind of movies again and again. And I guess this is having too much of emotions, as Vijay Sethupathi as a villain is looking very promising, and the way he plays his role, of course, we all know he is outstanding, outstanding, outstanding. And the hero and the heroine too much into love with each other. My God, those dialogues and everything, and I just love that song. Yeah, Nakannu Nili Samudram. See, I had reacted on the song, I guess, long back in June, July, might be. Okay, so many months passed now, and I have only heard that song once while reacting, and or only after hearing once I still remember that song while I'm reacting on the trailer, since after a long time. It means that song is having a cast chap on us, because I read the name of Devi Shri Prasad. Okay, so is he the musician? I don't know, but I have read his name in so many different good music wale movies. So I'm just simply asking you guys. And wow, I'm just waiting for more and more songs as well. And if you want more of such a video, please do like this video as much as you can and share as much as you can, because in your views I get to know what my audience love to watch and what not. So because if your views are great, I'll come up more with such kind of videos. Baki parat mi alex, ha?